Okay, this is actually near Ama Temple and it's at nighttime. So we're just gonna take a look around. And nighttime is sometimes interesting to film too, especially if you're out at night, which I am right now. So you can see go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. There's nice little lighting at nighttime. And this is kind of a maritime. There's a temple and a busy street. This is like a tourist usually take this little thing right here. I don't see that so often parked anywhere. I guess because it's a tourist area. And right over here is Ama Temple. So we're gonna walk towards that. But yeah, nighttime it's quite quiet. And then this is this is under construction recently. There's a nice dragon boat in this space right here. I would get closer, but there's a gate, so I can't really get into it anyways. Maritime Museum. And here's Ama. So we're just gonna walk towards Ama, and then I'll try to film as close as I can get. Daytime, this is a pretty big tourist attraction. But I think you can see a little bit at night anyways. At nighttime it's all lit up. There you go. Okay. These ones right here are coils. It's pretty cool actually. That's a nice picture right there. Yeah, these are coils and they just keep burning down. Looks like they're pretty full, so they should go for quite a while. There's the street that we're on. So this is what it looks like at nighttime, and if you can see to the sides, there's a little bit of artwork. Let's get a little closer to them. This one is lit up because of this light right there. But otherwise, this is kind of a dark street. And yeah, this is a little corner. That temple back there is called Ama Temple. Ama was the what this was originally called. Ama. Macau comes from Ama somehow. Can't remember the exact connection, but okay. So we're gonna turn it off in a minute. But this is kind of what it looks like at this time of night. Chiquinha, chiquinha.